What if an abandoned Godzilla-shaped mega mansion worth billions was left to rot for decades and then completely transformed into the most luxurious property on Earth? Hidden on a forgotten tropical coastline stood one of the strangest mansions ever built, a colossal Godzilla-shaped mega mansion. Once a symbol of luxury and imagination, it was eventually abandoned and consumed by nature. Today, we're attempting the impossible. Over the next few minutes, you'll watch this massive, ruined monster mansion transform section by section into a breathtaking, ultra-luxury masterpiece. At this point, the transformation is really starting to take shape. What was once a decaying ruin is beginning to look like a world-class luxury resort. The damaged structures have been repaired, the pools are coming back to... The interiors are being rebuilt with premium materials. And the most exciting part? We haven't even reached the final reveal yet. Keep watching, because the rooftop terraces, illuminated waterfalls, and the complete Godzilla transformation are still ahead. And if you're enjoying the restoration so far, let me know which area of the mansion has impressed you the most. After months of restoration work, the impossible has finally become reality. The abandoned Godzilla mansion has been completely transformed into one of the most spectacular luxury properties ever imagined. From shattered ruins to a glowing architectural masterpiece. Every room restored, every terrace rebuilt, every detail reimagined. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more epic restoration projects. And now I need your help. What should we restore next? A dragon palace? A Titanic luxury hotel? An abandoned moon base? Or something even crazier? Leave your idea in the comments below, because your suggestion might become the next restoration documentary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next transformation.